In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks to Allah, the Lords of the Alameen. Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope all is well and fine with you. Welcome to video lecture for subject English, class 4. Your teacher Noshin Mirza here from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. Let's see the contents of today's lecture. First, we have some instructions. Then, we'll discuss the main points of the story, of the text. Then, after it, explanation of the lesson. Then, we'll discuss the preparation of the dictation. Then, we'll do words meanings and word sentences. The instructions for the students are: be ready for your studies. You must have full concentration and make sure you have your book, notebook, and stationery items with you. And along with that, supervision of your elders or your parents is required. And last of all, you should enjoy your studies. Dear students, grab your Oxford Reading Circle book and take out unit number 10. The title of this unit is The Adjective Bird, a traditional tale retold by Amble Williams Alice. So students, take out page number 78, unit 10, The Adjective Bird. As you have already read the story at home, so we'll discuss the main points of the story. The Adjective Bird. The story is about a tall, long-legged adjutant bird who lived with his wife on the island of Borneo. One day, when his wife was flying, he fell asleep. While he was sleeping peacefully, peacefully means आराम से सुकून से सो रहा था, a family of 9 monkeys saw him and started to comment on his appearance. Appearance means ज़ाहिरी हालत. जब वो बहुत सुकून से सो रहा था तो एक 9 monkeys की फैमिली ने उसको देखा और उसकी ज़ाहिरी हालत पर तबसरा करना शुरू कर दिया. On page 79, the main points of the story are: they pulled out all the tall bird's feathers and made fun of him. Monkeys ने tall bird के पर चुन दिए थे और उसका मजाक भी उड़ाया. They pointed at him and laughed at him because they thought he looked peculiar. Peculiar means strange. When the adjutant bird woke up, he stretched his wings to fly, but he could not do so. Then he began to cry aloud. जब adjutant bird उठा और उड़ने के लिए उसने अपने पर फैलाए. Stretched means फैलाया. But he could not do so, लेकिन वो ऐसा ना कर सका. तो वो रोने लग गया. He got hurt because 9 monkeys made fun of him. He started crying क्योंकि वो उड़ नहीं सकता था. When his wife returned, he told her that the 9 monkeys had plucked his feathers while he was asleep. उसने सारा मामला अपनी वाइफ, अपनी बीवी को बताया कि सोते में 9 monkeys ने उसके feathers, उसके पर चुन दिए हैं, तोड़ दिए हैं. His wife took care of him for 2 months. Then he was able to fly again. '80 and '81, the main points are: while his feathers were growing, he had thought of a plan to teach them a lesson. जब बर्ड के पर उग रहे थे, he thought of a plan कि मैं इन monkeys को अब मजा चखाऊंगा, उनको सबक सिखाऊंगा. Bobog, a tortoise who was also angry at the misbehavior of the monkeys, asked him to find a boat with a big hole in it, exact of his size. Okay? So on page number 82 and 83 are, here they are. He found a boat with a hole in it, and Bobog crept into the hole so that the water could not get in the boat anymore. When the monkeys saw adjutant bird standing up on the boat, requested him to let them get in the boat. जब monkeys ने bird को ये सब करते देखा, तो they got surprised and they requested him to let them get in the boat as well. He instructed them to tie up their tails to avoid drowning. Now let's see what happened next. On page 84 and 85, the main points of the story are: after some time, Bobog popped down of the hole and into the water. थोड़ी देर बाद Bobog tortoise जो है, वो जो बोट में सुराख था, वहां से पानी में चला गया. Then the water rushed into the hole and the boat began to sink. जैसे ही tortoise होल में से पानी में गया, तो सारा पानी बोट के अंदर दाखिल हो गया और बोट डूबने लग गई. The monkeys tried to swim, but their tails were tied together, so they had a dreadful time. जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा कि monkeys के tails were tied together, तो they had a dreadful time. बहुत खौफनाक वक्त था उस वक्त उनके लिए. They managed to reach to the shore. Shore means किनारा. उन्होंने किसी भी तरह किनारे तक पहुंचने की कोशिश की, पहुंच ही गए. Half drowned, आधे डूबे हुए, frightened, खौफजदा, and miserable, और pathetic condition में वो लोग किनारे तक पहुंच गए. But in all that, they learned a lesson that they won't play tricks or upset other animals. लेकिन उन्होंने सबक सीखा कि हम कभी भी किसी भी जानवर को नाराज नहीं करेंगे, ना ही कोई शरारत करेंगे. Hope you understand the story. So dear students, we have discussed the main points of the story. I'll I explained it to you thoroughly. Now I'll discuss the preparation for dictation with you. The whole lesson is to be prepared for dictation. The students must learn the spellings of all the different difficult words of the story. They should do practice of all paragraphs. They should also ask their supervisors to take dictation of random paragraphs. Now I tell you the meanings of the difficult words in the story. The first one is adjutant. Adjutant means an assistant or a helper. In the context of story, it means a tall, long-legged adjutant bird that is black and white in color. The second one is sleek. The meaning for this word is smooth and shiny. In Urdu, it means naram, mulaim or saaf. Third word is ruffled. Ruffled means disordered. In Urdu, it means garbar, disarranged. The fourth word is splendid. Splendid means very impressive. In Urdu, it means बहुत आला or umda. Fifth word is scrambled. In English, it means to move hurriedly. In the context of story, in Urdu, it means jaldi se chalna. Now we'll do word sentences of this lesson. I always encourage my students to make sentences on their own. I'll give you some sample sentences for the given words. Let's see what's number one. Number one is adjutant. Adjutant means assistant or a helper. Here, the sentence for this word is Ali met his adjutant at the mosque. Second sentence is sleek. The dog's fur is sleek. Third sentence is for the word ruffled is the strong wind ruffled his hair. Next word is splendid. The sample sentence for this word is I went to a splendid marriage party last night. Next word is scrambled. Sample sentence for this word is she scrambled up the steep hillside. Home task for today's lecture is you have to learn and write words meaning and word sentences in your notebooks. Secondly, you have to do practice of dictation of all the paragraphs as well. Dear students, if you have any questions or any queries, do inbox me or comment in the comment box. I am here to help you, to guide you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.